www.philippinenurses.org. Video on how to vote.
Patanggal nga yung suko.
Hindi kayo makita ang aming mga personal. Meron tayong pa-friendly later sa Zumba, no? Kung sino ang spot natin na
So we have to constantly monitor. Okay? You have to have vigilant monitoring for warning signs para hindi, of course, if the patient is in a milder case offended, may not be proceeding to a gender moral.
Bago na.
So there might be two potentially fatal outbreaks. Sure, on days 1 to 4. Kung nagka-dengue lang po tayo,
Wala ka pang
already had
video
dengue. So I know na talagang you have fever for around 1 or 4 days.
Ayan na,
So,
viral yan.
you really not need to have the
Michelle.
patient sent to a doctor. And during the fever days, ano po
Ma'am
natin?
Ai.
Sweat. And when you sweat,
Ma'am Ai.
of course, you lose water. And of course, we become dehydrated.
Ma'am Ellen.
In this initial febrile phase, okay, when the patients have a fever, this is the time na talagang we can have dehydration.
Oo nga.
And next,
Hi, Ma'am Ophel.
there was a